Somebody was telling me you do work in the back.
Yeah, this is my locksmith company.
Locksmith, wow.
Yeah, so everybody was like, "Are you here as a builder?" I'm like, "No, man, I'm here to show out a little bit."
Yes, sir. How you doing? Can I come in?
Yeah, sure. Good job stopping the flash. I appreciate it. We got another longer bar coming in, so we can drop this down a little bit.
Yep.
And push this angle down a little bit to help out.
Somebody was telling me you do work in the back.
Yeah, this is my locksmith company.
Locksmith, wow.
Yeah, so everybody was like, "Are you here as a builder?" I'm like, "No, man, I'm here to show out a little bit."
Yes, sir. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I am Jeff Fulcher from Winston-Salem.
Okay.
Extraordinary Audio. Ben Lineback was the builder.
Okay.
And we've got 2 DC Audio 15 Neos running a PitBull 20K on them. Using by my mids and highs, I got a 2 8s and 2 super tweaks in each door. Using SounDigital 5K on the 8s and a 1200.4 on the mids and highs.
Wow. Very nice.
Just got it really up and running about 2 nights ago.
So it's a 4th order?
It is.
Okay.
3-to-1 4th order.
3-to-1. Very nice.
And
I saw you're still work in progress on it, but
oh yeah, we got this side trimmed out where that side trimmed out where where you can see the preview panel on the
yes,
side.
sir. I'm about to go look at that. Can I see the back and all? Thank you very much. What was your name?
My name's Jeff Fulcher, man.
Thank you. Hey, everybody, give a like for Jeff, man.
Open from the outside.
Sure, man. Oh, the handle broke.
Yeah.
Everybody, subscribe if you haven't. A lot of content to come. Sundown show.
A lot of people don't expect it in a locksmith, man.
No, man, that's awesome, dude.
Whenever you want it, I was the man on the place with Jordan, but up to the Grammy Award.
That shit real talk.
Not bad for us, man.
Dude, yeah, man, dude, you ain't flexing at all. It's good. You did a good job stopping the flex.
I sure appreciate that.
You did it.
We got another longer bar coming in, so we can drop this down a little bit.
Yep.
And push this angle down.
Wow.
That shit on Gucci, man. That shit real tough. Shit on Gucci, man. That shit real tough.